Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this My Kid Portable DAB and DAB Plus radio. It's an FM digital radio with 2025 latest signal receiver technology. FM rechargeable radio with Bluetooth 5.0, dual alert lock, 40 presets, 2.4 inches large color display, and a lot of fun, of course. It's available on the market in a nice small dimension, as you can see, because that portable DAB War Plus radio from Mike offers us a razor sharp and a clear audio quality, so we can enjoy our favorite radio stations anywhere. The DAB offers an improved quality of digital radio and allows us to access to a range of digital radio stations. On the clear color LCD screen, we know exactly what we are listening to. And thanks to the slim and compact design, we can easily store it in our backpack or luggage, in the garden, kitchen, living room, or on the go, wherever we want to enjoy our music. Mic'd, portable, DAB Plus FM radio is ready for play our favorite stations. The headphone jack allows us to connect wired headphones to enjoy music without disturbing others. And with a built-in 2200 mAh lithium battery that can give up to 12 hours of pleasure, it only needs to be charged for 2.5 hours with the supplied USB cable. We can pair a phone or tablet via a simple Bluetooth connection and play our favorite music or audiobooks. The portable DAB Plus radio from Mic'd is our perfect travel companion to enjoy our favorite radio stations anywhere, anytime. The battery is a built-in battery, so it should not be removed or replaced because we can recharge it by using a USB-C cable. USB-C cable can be provided by Energy by using your AC adapter for your smartphone, a power pack, USB socket, or something else. And then we can make an enjoyment of all our favorite DAB Plus and FM transmitters with first-class sound quality. It is a setup, as you can see, and fast automatic search for a quick search for our favorite stations with 40 station presets to save and retrieve our favorite radio stations. We schedule 2 alarms or a timer function with either favorite stations or a buzzer tone as an alarm ringtone to wake us up and automatically set the time and the date update of the DAB and FM stations. And that stylish and portable and compact design makes this DAB radio the perfect choice for home or on the go. And easy peasy, as you can see, you can use the Mic'd DAB and DAB Plus FM digital radio for all what you need. For 12-hour recording, USB-C recharging, 40 preset stations, timer function, dual alert, automatic scan, and a nice hi-fi sound with a large display and a headphone socket, and the possibility to pair it by using your smartphone, for example, by Bluetooth. Yeah, that means this device here can handle a Bluetooth speaker. We have personal listening experience. Wow. With the latest signal reception technology, easy setup, and quick auto scanning. You store up to 20 DAB, 20 FM preset stations, and it's equipped with the latest digital technology, provides the higher quality and more radio receptions. We have an FM range from 87.5 up to 108 MHz, with the RDS and DAB Plus range of 174.9248 to 239.20 MHz, with DLS display. So we can choose what we need or what we like. Bluetooth possible, local FM possible, DAB radio possible, and a good sound. It's provided deeper, richer, and clearer hi-fi music enjoyment. with dual alert. We wake up with dual alerts. This allowing us to set 2 alarm clocks to remind and better schedule our work and leisure time, and a sleep timer. We can have a nap, for example, and we can have a program with that, and it's play for more than 12 hours. This portable DAB radio is a nice device. This is the My Portable DAB Plus radio for you here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.